Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable Face ID on Atomic Wallet. To turn on or enable Face ID on Atomic Wallet, first of all, open up the Atomic Wallet app and log in. Once you're inside the wallet page, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. This will then take you to this interface where you will need to tap on Security. Now select Fingerprint or Face ID option and tap on Enable Fingerprint/Face ID. Enter your wallet's password to confirm and turn on the function. Make sure to type down your password correct and tap on Confirm. Right after you tap on Confirm, you will then be asked if you want to allow Atomic Wallet to use Face ID or fingerprint. Tap Allow in the pop-up and then you will be able to turn on fingerprint or Face ID on Atomic Wallet. Now every time you close off your application and open it again, you will be required to scan your Face ID instead of password. And that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.